Don't doubt yourself. Believe in yourself. You're doing it for a reason. Put that deodorant on. A lot of people have mentioned doubt. Doubt is probably the #1 factor why you're not selling, why you're not converting, why you're not even attracting the right people. You're not convinced that you have what it takes to serve them best. That's what doubt is. A confused mind does absolutely zero, nothing. Doubt is another extension of that. So when it comes to servicing others, you really want to be sold on your product, your service, the type of commitment that you have on that person, because they will feel that. Even if you feel like you're showing up to the call or the appointment and you're like trying to serve them, but you have that like little like doubt in there, they'll feel that. It's like if you didn't wear deodorant that day and it's really hot out and you're like trying to cover it up, but you accidentally need to reach that one moment. Somebody's gonna smell that. Don't doubt yourself. Believe in yourself. You're doing it for a reason. Put that deodorant on. So enough about believing. You can talk about it, you can wish about it, you can pray about it. The things that you need to implement today to actually release that doubt, to just get rid of it immediately, is to start implementing something today. Whether it's taking out a piece of paper and writing out your services, your products, and just envisioning what it is that you want to present. Actually going on the computer and presenting to yourself, as if you were on a call. Also, you can record yourself speaking, you can record yourself actually explaining the product, being on a call, talking to people. Just pretend, go back to that childlike stage where like you just did not care what was going on, you did not care who was watching, you just lived your life. Go back to that type of mentality, that mindset, where you're not scared about who is this person, who is that person, why are they looking at me, why are they not doing this, why are they not doing that. Don't worry about that. Focus on you. Because at the end of the day, someone is buying and investing in you. Not necessarily what. It's who and why. Focus on yourself. So again, start implementing the practical things. Set it up. Like literally set it up. Get some pillows. Pretend it's a podium, Pretend you're actually speaking to a crowd. Pretend you're speaking to an audience. And then you're like looking at this and feel that energy. Feel yourself actually in the room, talking to people, shaking hands with somebody, Start doing that. Start dressing the way you want to dress. Start implementing the kind of language, the kind of environment. Go to that really expensive hotel. Go to that really expensive restaurant. Sit there. They're not going to kick you out. Just feel yourself in those moments. Feel yourself in that energy. It's so important for you to step out. Motion creates emotion. So with that in mind, get up. Jump if you have to. If you're feeling sad, stretch your cheeks to actually make yourself smile for a little bit. All these little things you can implement today to start seeing results instantly. Don't doubt yourself.